Hi bestie, I am an upcoming content creators and you wondering how people get this kind of sound.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
All this
Oh, no, 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 no.
and also this.
Oh, sorry. Don't
No
cry,
problem.
don't
I got you
cry.
covered.
Don't cry.
Let's go there. So first thing first, open your browser. Okay, you can make use of anyone you're using, but me, I'm using Chrome. You can make use of Firefox or Opera anyone, but I'm making use of Chrome. So once you open there, go to your search bar and search my instant trending in Nigeria. Once you click on it, this is what you see: the largest instant sound button website in Nigeria. Once you get there, click on it. So when you click on it, here is the sounds. Okay. So when you get to the sound, what next for you to just click on it to select the one that is suits for your video. Okay. So I'll be posting my audio here so you can be able to hear the sound. Kasongo, yeah, yeah. Mumbali nanga. Kasongo, mbona wewo. Songa. So I have to try to remove my phone on desktop because it's on desktop so you can be able to see it very well and very clear. So once you are done getting the sound that will be suitable for your video, the next thing is for you to save it to your device. Okay, what I mean to for you to save it to your file. So click their name. Their name, you can see it down there. So click it. Once you click on it, you will get something like this. Okay. Then scroll down to look for download MP3. Once you get there, click on that download to MP3. When you download to MP3, here is the final so like this now your sound is being saved to your device. Okay, so guys, if you find this video very interesting and helpful, don't forget to like, give me a follow, and also share to someone. Okay, and also I'll be dropping a tutorial on how to add it to your video on my next vlog. Okay, so guys, don't get to miss this chance. Bye, see you guys there.